King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king king got the hammer king I ain't got the chain dicks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited that you're here. And you guys, guess what? We reached 20,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, y'all showing me so much love. I'm so overjoyed with the amount of comments I get of y'all saying like, oh my gosh, we love your channel, thank you so much for making these videos, like we appreciate you so much. I'm just like, I feel so happy that I'm able to help you guys that way, and I cannot believe that we really reached 20,000 YouTube subscribers. Like, I love each and every one of y'all. I really appreciate you guys for supporting me, watching my videos. I'm so glad that I can help you guys. Like, it makes me so happy when y'all leave those comments, and oh my gosh, I just cannot thank you guys enough. So thank you so much. This is a great start to the new year, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Before you click off of this video, just go ahead and give y'all a heads up, throw that in there, because we're gonna keep running it up even more. So I actually just got 2 orders back to back, and the first young lady, let's give her a shout out. Miss Ebony, she ordered the Caramel Galaxy Gloss wholesale. Let me guys show you what that is. This is our wholesale Caramel Galaxy Gloss right here, y'all. It's a super cute shade. It leaves a really nice tint on your lips, and yes, so these make about 10. I have it in the description. I don't even want to lie to y'all. I got it on my page how many tubes that it'll fill. So yeah, check out my website www.sexylexyinc.com and get you some lip gloss, some lashes, some shades, anything, because summer's coming up and it's time to slay. I am currently wearing our Thank You Next lashes, and I have on our brow lip liner and our clear Fiji gloss. Can't go wrong with that combo. Then our second order for today is Miss Mariah. She ordered irreplaceable lashes, 24K rose gold gloss, pomegranate lip gloss, and Fiji gloss. So I'm really excited to package these orders. I love when y'all show my business some love. And yeah, you guys, thank you again for getting me to 20,000 subscribers. I can't believe it. I'm so grateful. But I feel like I haven't like vlogged or recorded in a really long time, just because I got so much going on in my life. Like, I'm always, you know, taking care of my nephew. He's only 4 months. I love him so much. So I'll be doing that. I did get a job, so I'll be at work during the day, and it's just like I don't have that much free time like I used to, so I can't like post as much as I did before. But I'm really glad that when I did have that free time, I like posted so many videos, because I already have like every shade of gloss you can think of on this channel, which you guys know because y'all watch my videos and y'all show it love. So I'm just really happy. And yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna just package these orders in today's video, and I just wanted to show my face because it's been a minute, and I think this is actually my first video of 2023. So I hope that you guys are reaching towards your goals for this year. My main goal this year was to be more consistent in the gym, because I always say like, oh, I'm gonna start going to the gym, but recently like I've really been consistent going every day, and if not every day, at least try to go 5 times a day, just because I'm just trying to make it part of my routine. So keep me to my word and keep me to it. Spam in the comments with where's the workout video, sis. If you follow me on my personal Instagram, I post a little something when I'm in the gym. But I'm also recording on my new Sony camera that I got for Christmas. Let me know if y'all see a difference, but I feel like it make my skin look really good. I really like this camera. Yeah, you guys, I'm just happy to be here, and I love all of y'all. Oh, hold on, it's my ring, sorry. I'm actually about to record some TikToks too, because I have been ghost from TikTok. I have not posted videos on TikTok since I think like around Christmas time, and it's February. That's so not like me. So we're gonna do some TikToks today as well, and yeah, let's just get right into the rest of this video. Why you doing that to me, huh? Why you doing that to me, huh? Why you doing that to me, huh? Say hey to the camera. Look at the camera. The camera. Look. Hi guys, looky. Hi. Hey guys, my name's Ezekiel, and I love my auntie. Look right there. Look at the camera. You looking at? Yeah, you see? For a split second, you did. Look at the camera, boo. You see yourself? You see yourself? Guys, me Ezekiel. I don't know if I introduced you guys to him or not yet, but this is my nephew. He's 4 months, and I love him. We're besties. Besties. We're besties. We're besties. I love my auntie so much. Yay! 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 Okay. His little legs. Kick them legs, kick them legs, kick them legs, kick them, kick them, kick them legs, kick them legs, kick them legs, kick them, kick them, kick them legs, kick them legs, kick them legs. Okay, that's enough for now, huh? Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend about Life with Lex. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions about whether or not you guys can send me stuff to my P.O. box. Absolutely 100% yes, you can send me things to my P.O. box. That's the whole reason that I have it. And let me give y'all the address right quick. That way, if somebody who's watching wants to send me something, they can. So let me see. Okay, so my P.O. Box address is P.O. Box 7964, Norfolk, Virginia, 23509. That is my P.O. Box address in case you guys want to send me something. I love when y'all send me stuff. I try to make a video about it as well whenever y'all send me stuff so I can shout your business out as well on my channel. So feel free to send me something and I will try my best to make a video about it and post it and give you guys my review and all of that. So yes, feel free to send me things. And also in case you want my Cash App as well, because somebody has asked me that, my Cash App name is my business name. So my Cash App name is $sexylexyinc. That's XEXYLEXYINC. So you guys, yes, as always, I love you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Whichever video that'll be, but I'll see you in the next one.